Hi there. So it is the end of the evening and I just got done work, but I am going to try and get a few things done in my own yard. And what I've got is in the back of my yard, I look out this window every morning. So I've been trying to find something that is eye-catching, that I can see from a distance. There's, I believe, 150 feet or so to the end of my yard, so I really want something that pops from the kitchen that I can see that far up. And so I'm going to be planting a few flowers down here and just working on this while I still have a little bit more daylight. So let's get to it and see what I can get done. Just to give you an idea, this is what I'm working with. This is Arizona Sun blanket flower, and I just love the yellow on it. Now, next to it is another blanket flower, a little bit of a different color. And then over here, I actually have the red one that I will be putting in. And there's a lot of greenery back here, but I'm looking for those pops of color. I did put a coneflower in here that was yellow and some coleus, and those are great. And I'm gonna add another coneflower here to brighten up this spot because I can see this from the window, but it's a little far away. And then my heucheras, actually, I can see quite a bit. But I've got over here a red coneflower, and these are great, but I want to add more to it. Now this little one, he'll get big. That is actually a hydrangea, so I'm waiting to see if it actually comes up this year. So let's get to it. Okay, so I've gotten done all that I'm going to do tonight, but let me show you what I was able to get done. So behind Sadie, we have a red blanket flower. Then we have the other two blanket flowers. I moved one of the heuchera and I added in a catmint here. So the color theme back here is purple, red, yellow. So that's why you're gonna see this repeated over and over. Now we have the yellow coneflower there. I did add in another one right here, but it is not budding yet. And then we have the pineapple sage, both of those red. In here, I moved the hosta that I pulled out. And then over here, I added a lavender, another lavender. This is a sedum coral. And then I moved the other hosta over here that I pulled out from the other spot. And I believe that's all for this area. And then over here, I added in a hydrangea that I actually pulled off of a job today. She did not want it, so I don't know if that's going to be its permanent spot, but that is where it's at for now. And this is the view further back, so I can see the yellows going on, also the lime greens, but just to give you an idea of what I'm looking for as far as color and having that impact. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you get a chance to enjoy your garden today.